This is the BigFoot LHR15 MKIII random orbital machine polisher from Rupes. This professional grade unit comes in a deluxe kit featuring all you'll need to polish just about anything, including coarse to ultrafine foam pads and coarse to ultrafine compound, with 4 microfiber cloths and an apron, all in a sexy, sturdy carry bag. Powered by a 500 watt motor, this dual action unit features a 15mm throw on that 5-inch pad, which will help you to achieve a swirl-free finish. Really comfortable rubberization on the grips both ends, ideal for long periods of use. And depending on the compound, the surface you're polishing, there is a progressive speed trigger for ultimate control from go to woe. You combine that variable speed trigger with the speed dial, you can set the max speed from 3000 up to 5200 RPM. There's a couple of rubber inserts on the rear of the unit for lying it down flat and securely while it's not in use. And that 9-meter heavy duty lead means you can work right around both sides of a vehicle without requiring an extension cord. So whether you're a professional detailer or just a weekend warrior, check out the full Rupes range at your local Sydney Tools store or online at sydneytools.com.au. If you've got any questions about the LHR MKIII, hit me up in that comment section below. And until next time, I'm Tim, and you're watching Sydney Tools TV.